Uber only accepts drivers who pass a background check, have a valid driver's license, and use a vehicle that meets local ride-sharing standards set by Uber. That matters because most rejections don't come from driving skill. They come from missing paperwork, or a car that doesn't qualify. By the end, you'll know exactly what Uber checks, what kind of car usually qualifies, and the most common reasons people get rejected before they even start. First, the basic driver requirements are simple but strict. You need a valid driver's license in your name and eligibility to drive in your city or state. Uber also runs a background check that reviews your driving history and criminal record. If there are major violations or recent serious incidents, the application usually doesn't move forward. Next is the car requirement, which is where most confusion happens. Uber does not allow just any vehicle. In most areas, the car must be a 4-door vehicle so passengers can enter and exit safely. It also needs to be in good condition, with working seat belts for every passenger seat, and no major cosmetic or structural damage. The exact model year requirement depends on your city. Some locations allow slightly older cars, while others require newer vehicles to keep quality standards consistent. That's why two drivers can apply with similar cars and get different results depending on where they live. Insurance is another key requirement. Your vehicle must be insured, and in many cases Uber requires proof of insurance that covers rideshare activity, not just personal driving. Now here's what usually causes problems. The first issue is trying to use a 2-door car, which is almost always rejected. The second is incomplete documentation, like mismatched names on your license and insurance. The third is background check delays, which can happen if records need extra review. Most people assume driving experience is the hardest part, but Uber is mostly checking safety, eligibility, and vehicle compliance before anything else. To sum it up, Uber requires a valid license and clean background check. Your car usually needs to be a 4-door in good condition, and missing documents are the most common reason applications fail. If you're planning to apply, the next step is simple. Check your car against Uber's local vehicle requirements page before you start the application so you don't get stuck mid-process. Like and subscribe if you want more clear breakdowns of gig apps without the confusion.